It is blueberry season and I have the best blueberry dessert for you. It is a blueberry coffee cake, super, super easy, great for last minute company. It's even good the next day, so soft and moist, and I can't wait to eat this, so let's get started. We'll start with some quick prep. Preheat your oven to 350 and butter a 9-inch springform pan. I don't have my mixer. I need my mixer. In the bowl of your stand mixer with the whisk attachment, beat together your softened butter and sugar. Start on medium speed until they're combined, then increase it to high speed and beat for about 3 minutes or until the mixture is light and creamy. Scrape down the bowl to make sure it's all really well combined. Next, beat in 2 room temperature eggs and also add some vanilla extract. And I have my homemade vanilla extract here. It's just 2 ingredients. I will link to it in the recipe notes. Beat on high speed for another minute or until the batter looks creamy and fluffy. Scrape down the bowl to make sure everything is combining nicely. In a separate bowl, you're gonna whisk together your dry ingredients. That's all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Wait, let's do that again. Oh, no, I can't, no one could see that. Add the flour mixture to the butter mixture in 2 additions, and you're gonna alternate with your Greek yogurt. So we're gonna add half of the flour, stir to combine, then add half of your Greek yogurt, stir until it's well incorporated, then add the rest of your flour and Greek yogurt. Adding your ingredients in batches this way ensures that your batter is smooth and it's less likely to curdle. Scrape down the bowl as needed and mix just until it's blended. Make sure you don't overmix the batter. Now I have 1.5 cups of fresh blueberries, about 12 ounces, that I have rinsed and patted dry. Gently fold that into your cake batter. Fold just until those blueberries are evenly dispersed in the batter. Now transfer your batter into your pan. Yeah. You can see how thick and luscious this batter is, which is great because it helps keep the blueberries in place. Spread the batter evenly into the pan, flattening out the top. I need the butter, the diced cold butter. Well, only one piece made it on the floor. 5-second rule? No, we can't. We can't. We have a dog now. Last but not least, we're gonna put together our crumb topping. In a mixing bowl, combine your flour, your packed light brown sugar, also some ground cinnamon and a pinch of salt. Stir that together until it's well combined. Then we're gonna add that diced cold butter. Work that butter in using your fingertips. I'm just having such a good day today. I think it's because I get to eat blueberry cake. The mixture is ready when it looks crumbly and you just see small buttery clumps. Finally, sprinkle your butter crumb mixture evenly over the top of your cake. You can spread it a little bit with your hands. There's no need for perfection here. Now bake for 1 hour at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or until the top is golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean with maybe just a few moist crumbs. You might need to poke it a couple of times in case you hit a blueberry. Let that cake rest in the pan for at least 15 minutes and then you can remove it. Okay, it's been cooling in the pan and it is ready to take out and enjoy. You can see as soon as it came out of the oven, it was kind of a little bit domed. Now it's settled and oh my goodness, that crisp cinnamon brown sugar buttery topping is irresistible. I cannot wait to sink my teeth into it. But first things first, we're gonna loosen the cake from the pan. I have one of these little cake release tools. You can use a small knife, whatever works for you. I'm just gonna go around the edge. There we go. And it should come out nicely because remember we also buttered the pan. Oh, it's so perfect. So easy, but so perfect. Look at this. It's so beautiful. And it's still warm. You can let it cool completely to room temperature before you serve it, but my goodness, this tastes so good when it's still warm. It's kind of like eating a warm muffin. Now I'm gonna transfer it to this platter so I don't scratch up my springform mold. This is probably the only tricky part is transferring it, but it's not hard. You just have to have confidence. Famous last words. Coco wants some cake. You aren't getting any cake, dear. I think we're good. I think this is gonna be a wild success. Oh, and it's on the move. Look at that. Thankfully, this is not a fragile cake. And the crowd goes wild. Come on, let's hear it, crowd.
Yay.
That was was kind of a letdown. So that everybody knows this is a blueberry cake because the blueberries obviously are baked into the cake. I do like to garnish a little bit of fresh blueberries on top. I just think it looks so pretty. Just gives that little bit of brightness and freshness and irresistibility. Is that a word? And it's tall and it's so beautiful and it tastes even better. And let me show you what's inside because that is the best part. Okay, here we go. I love how it goes through that crunchy topping into a soft center. Ah. Okay, here we go. Big old generous slice for me. That's how we roll. And look at this. It's like bursting with juicy, sweet blueberries. It's so soft and fluffy and moist, and it's still warm. It doesn't get any better. We're gonna plate this beauty. Ooh, look at this. Oh my goodness. This is a coffee cake after all. Wow, I feel so spoiled. And look at how cute this is. His little bunny on the handle. Aw. Perfect for Easter. I'm gonna dig right into this because I can't wait. Love the layers of like crunchy topping, just all this goodness. I feel like there's like 5 blueberries in this bite. I'm not gonna complain. It's gonna be messy, but that's okay. Mm. 1 minute. That was a really big bite. It's so good, you guys. I love that it's like perfectly sweet, not too sweet. You know how I feel about desserts that are overly sweet? It's a no-go. This is like the perfect balance. And I love the layers of fruit in there, the crunch from the topping. Everything about this is so good and so satisfying. It really is like eating a warm muffin and then enjoy it with some coffee, of course. Or tea, if that's more your jam. Okay, I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of this beautiful slice of cake. I hope you guys try this. Make it for Easter, make it for the weekend. It's such an easy, approachable, and scrumptious cake. We'll see you on the next episode of Natasha's Kitchen. Let me know where you guys spotted Sharky, and if you have any recipe requests, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. You notice that was like fast forward because I want to get to this cake. Bite number 2. Look at this, it's like packed with blueberries. I love that. I have to come back before I drop it.